Stable diffusion is the future of image generation and image enhancement. In October 2022, an open source deep learning model was introduced that can generate images from scratch using the text input. It can also fill the details in existing images using the text. It has been trained on billions of images and can produce results that are compared to the real images. It is a text-to-image diffusion model that is capable of generating photorealistic image to any given text. It empowers billions of people to create stunning art within seconds. Stable Diffusion was released in 2022 and it is an open source. It is primarily used to generate detailed image on text descriptions. It can also be used to alter the existing image in painting, out painting, generate image to image translations guided by a text prompt. So if you want to see these tools are available by stability.ai. So you can see here these are various tools available. Stability AI news, and you can see here Stable Diffusion 2.0 is released on 24th of November. It is today. This looks a real image based on the text input it has created from scratch. Stable Diffusion is growing. So it has enhanced, improved, or modified existing image and created various other images. GitHub, you can see the source code which is available. These are not the real images. These images are made using Stable Diffusion. This is built by Stability AI. Here we go. Here, Dream Studio is an open source generation model that cultivates autonomous freedom to produce images. If I go to Dream Studio, I can simply sign up with my account. Here we go, and this is supported by the Stability AI team. So if you click on Dreams, you can think of anything. This is not, of course, real image. It has been developed as a result of my text input. Here you can see I typed deserted island, so it has created the image based on this. I'll show you another website also, which is replicate.com. It will process my text and it will convert the text into image. So this is not the real image. This has been made as a result of the input, text input. I'll be uploading more videos to update you on Stable Diffusion. Stay tuned. See you in next video. Take care and goodbye.